watch for an object in the room to light up. When it does, step on the spot with the matching color to dance around the room with Snow White. Let's begin.
Ready? Okay, ready?
Try.
Do blue. Step on the blue.
No, the one in front of you, blue.
Green. Green.
This one. There you go.
Green.
Do green again. No,
Oh.
no, green here. Blue, in front, in front. Go to the blue.
Go to the middle.
That one, this one, this one. This one.
Now you try.
Do the red. To your other side.
Other way.
Back to the middle. Go red again.
You try.
Over.
Red.